Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Cam Outdoor, quick install step by step clearly. First, unbox your Nest Cam Outdoor and check that all components are included. Identify a suitable mounting location outside your home. Choose a location that provides a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Ensure the spot is within range of your Wi-Fi network. Using the provided template, mark the drilling spots on the wall. Drill holes for the mounting screws. If necessary, use anchors for extra support. Align the mounting bracket with the drilled holes. Secure the bracket to the wall using the screws. Now, take the camera and attach it to the mounting bracket. Adjust the camera angle for optimal viewing. Next, plug the power cable into the camera. Route the cable to your nearest electrical outlet. Make sure the cable is secured and hidden to prevent tampering. Plug the other end of the power cable into the outlet. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap Add and select Set Up Device. Choose New Devices and follow the prompts to locate your Nest Cam. Once detected, connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Customize your camera settings as preferred. Test the live view to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, adjust any settings for notifications or alerts according to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.